In this video, I'll show you to turn split screen view on or off on your Android phone. This feature lets you use two apps at the same time, making multitasking much easier. Whether you're watching a video while replying to messages or taking notes during a meeting, split screen view can help you get more done. Step 1. Turn on split screen view. First, make sure the two apps you want to use are already open in the background. Next, open the Recent Apps screen. If you're using the navigation buttons, tap the Recents button. If you're using gesture navigation, swipe up from the bottom of the screen and hold for a moment until your recent apps appear. Find the first app you want to use in split screen. Tap the app icon at the top of its preview card, not the app window itself. A menu will appear with several options. Select Open in split screen view. The first app will move to the top half of the screen. Now simply tap the second app from your recent apps list or app drawer. It will automatically open in the bottom half of the display. You can now use both apps at the same time. To make one app larger, drag the divider line in the middle up or down until you find the layout that works best for you. Step 2. Turn off split screen view. When you're finished multitasking, returning to normal view is simple. Touch and hold the divider line between the two apps. Then drag it all the way to the top or the bottom of the screen. Once the divider reaches the edge, one app will close from split screen, while the other expands to full screen mode. If your phone doesn't show the Open in split screen view option, don't worry. Some apps don't support split screen, and certain Android versions or manufacturer interfaces may place the option in a slightly different location. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to turn split screen view on or off on your Android phone. If this guide helped you, consider liking the video and subscribing for more easy Android tips and tutorials.